Hi, my name is Cheryl Conaway. I'm the Quality Assurance Manager at the Hawkins Bottled Water Factory, a division of Nestlé Waters North America. We're here in Hawkins, Texas, in East Texas Piney Woods. As the Quality Assurance Manager, I'm responsible for food safety inside the factory, outside the factory, from the springs to the finished product. About a year ago, I had a phone call from the factory. There were swarming insects near our dock doors. Turned out they were honeybees. And honeybees we cannot treat for, so we had this issue, we had a problem.
They have a large population of feral bees. Hawkins does as a whole, Wood County. I got a phone call from Ozarka. They had a bee problem on the loading docks. A few people were getting stung. We were going to install swarm traps and relocate those bees.
When talking to Daniel, he explained that the environment here where we protect our watershed is absolutely a bee heaven. We don't use pesticides, we don't spray, we don't fertilize.
Cheryl had contacted me a few days later and says, you know, how about if we house our bees?
Can we build beehives? Can we have an apiary here and see if we could partner with the local high school in Hawkins?
I was all in.
It was back in probably February, we got a phone call from Cheryl out at Nestlé Waters. They reached out to us, to our FFA chapter, asking if we wanted to get involved with them.
Matt Bird had never heard of an apiary program in Future Farmers of America programs anywhere. So I asked him if he'd be interested, and we would sponsor some materials, tools, wood, supplies.
We decided to take on the challenge. My job after that was to try to find some students that wanted to get involved.
When Mr. Bird first approached me about joining the bee team, I thought he was insane.
You got your tools?
Yeah.
Where's the smoker?
People don't see all the work, the hours during the summer, after school, during school, all the things that we have to do to prepare to produce honey.
Learning that you have to work with people and learning how to walk up to somebody, introduce myself and shake their hand, and learning that wood doesn't always cooperate the way it should. So
We do already have like a small local kind of business going with our honey.
where it holds 2 frames.
I would love to watch this program become a more professional business.
The idea is that they'll sell the honey and put the proceeds back into furthering the education, building more hives.
The coolest part is going from the field in the frames into a bottle and us labeling and calling it our own.
They're really pioneering a new part of agriculture education.
But they couldn't have picked a better group of kids.
What these 4 young ladies have started, we're hoping it carries on to other schools and other programs.
They are so in tune.
They've amazed me as far as their hard work and dedication.
These girls are the legitimate vision of what beauty and leadership is all about.
We're so excited for this opportunity to partner with Nestlé Waters and have this great learning experience for our students here at Hawkins ISD.
It looks like a wonderful partnership for Ozarka, Nestlé Waters, and the high school, and our community.
I hope that there can always be a bee team at Hawkins High School, kids that get to learn and get to just grow as people and learn about bees and